I've been comparing Easyship and ShipStation throughout 2025, and both platforms offer robust shipping solutions, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize international shipping capabilities or advanced automation and customization. Easyship is designed with global e-commerce in mind. It provides access to over 250 courier services, offering discounted rates and real-time shipping options at checkout. Easyship simplifies international shipping by calculating taxes and duties upfront, ensuring transparency for both merchants and customers. Its user-friendly interface and seamless integrations with major e-commerce platforms make it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses looking to expand their global reach without the complexities of international logistics. ShipStation, on the other hand, excels in automation and scalability. It supports over 180 integrations, including marketplaces, shopping carts, and carriers, allowing for centralized order management. ShipStation's advanced features, such as batch label printing, inventory management, and customizable workflows, make it a powerful tool for businesses with high shipping volumes and complex fulfillment needs. Its robust reporting and analytics tools provide valuable insights to optimize shipping operations. If your primary focus is on international shipping with transparent pricing and ease of use, Easyship is a strong contender. However, if you require advanced automation, extensive integrations, and scalability to handle large order volumes, ShipStation offers a more comprehensive solution. If this comparison helped you determine which platform aligns better with your shipping needs, please like the video, share it with someone exploring shipping solutions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.